Time to solve another 2 by 2 linear system by elimination. If it wasn't clear from the last example, you don't try to add on those columns if you don't have along one of those columns, one of those variables canceling out. We need coefficients that are opposite in sign of each other. Once again, if I look at the least common multiple, lost the focus there. There we go. If we look at the least common multiple of the first two, 3 goes into 12, so 12. 5 goes into 10, so 10. 10 is smaller than 12. So what I would like to do is get it so I have the y's, with one with a negative 10 and one with a positive 10 as coefficients, so that we can add and cancel out. We've already got negative 10y, so I'm going to multiply the first one, the second one by positive 2. All terms you distribute over on the left-hand side. And don't forget to multiply the negative 13 by 2 as well. Keep it balanced. Adding the x's, we get 18x. The y terms cancel. And negative 36 on the right. Divide by 18, and x is equal to negative 2. I had not changed the first equation, so I'm going to plug negative 2 into that one. Clean up the arithmetic. Add 24 to both sides. Negative 10 plus 24 is 14. Divide by the negative 10. Now, even if you are not using an online homework system, you should reduce that. Divide top and bottom by 2. Whenever you're dividing by 5, if it doesn't go into the numerator without remainder, you're at least going to get a terminating decimal. However, again, if you're using an online homework system, instead of writing that that's negative 1.2, it's probably going to tell you to use integers or reduced fractions as you type in your answers. Plus, we still have to find x. If I plug in, sorry, I lied. We already have x, but I used equation 1. So now if I go back to equation 2 to check, three times the negative 2 for x, plus 5 times the negative 7/5 for y, multiply before you add. Well, those 5's cancel. That's another reason why it's good to leave it in reduced fraction form. That adds to the negative 13 that we wanted. So that one's good. And moving on.